Okay, hey guys, so for today's video, I'm teaching you how to make a healthier version of brownies. Okay, for the ingredients, you're gonna need 2 sweet potatoes, coconut oil, cocoa powder, sugar-free syrup, baking powder, baking soda. I have chocolate chips, and then almond flour, and salt, and then also vanilla extract. Okay, so the first step is to peel the sweet potato. Now I'm going to start boiling water so we can boil the sweet potatoes. Okay, now I transferred the sweet potatoes into a bowl. Now I'm just going to mush the sweet potato like this. Now we're just going to melt 3 tablespoons of coconut oil. Okay, so now that you have your mushed up sweet potato, you're going to add the 3 melted tablespoons of coconut oil. Okay, now you're going to add 1/4 cup of cocoa powder. Okay, now you're gonna add 1/2 cup of the sugar-free maple syrup. So I'm gonna do one of those. And then one more, so it's 1/2 cup. Okay, now you're gonna add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Okay, now that you have all of your ingredients in the bowl, you're just gonna start mixing it all together. And I'm using a big spoon instead of a whisk, just because of how thick the sweet potato is. So this is what it looks like after it's mixed. Okay, now I'm doing 1/3 of the almond flour. Now I'm doing 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Okay, now we're doing 1/2 teaspoon of the baking soda. Okay, that was all the ingredients in the bowl, and now we're just gonna mix it. Okay, so I just lined my baking pan with the parchment paper so that the brownies don't stick. So now I just spread it around, that way it's even. Okay, now we're just gonna add a handful of chocolate chips. Okay, so this is what it should look like. Okay, so now you're just gonna put this in the oven. Okay, now you just add a timer for 25 minutes. And your oven should have been preheated to 350. Okay, now I took the brownies out of the oven and I'm just gonna let it cool down. Okay, so this is the finished product. These are the brownies, so thank you guys for watching.